Orlando Pirates have lost the league. We can forget about the league. If you are trying to compete against the Mamelodi Sundowns, this is not how you play. Ngeke ungitshele ukuthi wena uzodlala idraw yama-2-2 nabo Richards Bay. Mamelodi Sundowns madlala nalama team nyana lawa mancane swag ithela induku. Today was not our game. Yes, the boys did well, come back from behind 2-2 sizamile. But I have one question for coach Abdeslam Mowadu. Umfukeng makangadlali kahle why yena angakhishwa? If Mfukeng is not having a good game, why Mfukeng angakhishwa? Mfukeng bekumele aphume namhlanje bafethu asikhulumeni iqiniso. Mfukeng offered nothing to the team today. Sharp, Crosilo, Ozuna Police scored, but even Lionel Messi makangadlali kahle bayamkhipha. Cristiano Ronaldo makangadlali kahle bayamkhipha. Mbappe, even Vinicius Junior makangabi negame sharp bayamkhipha. I don't understand how Orlando Pirates considered those 2 goals against Richards Bay, but you are telling me that when ufuna ukudithrow Mamelodi Sundowns, we're talking about a team ekuma semi-final we-CAF. It's looking very likely that Mamelodi Sundowns will make it all the way to a final CAF. When you have your draw 2-2 ne Richards Bay, obvious next game Mamelodi Sundowns is gonna win, and then he kept saying a 4. And you know, the bigger in things is that we depending on the Kaizer Chiefs to do us a favor. They can go lose against Mamelodi Sundowns on purpose. They can go draw against the Mamelodi Sundowns on purpose. Ungitshela ukuthi wena umduduzi shabalala uzoyenzani iSundowns. Umfundo Vilakazi uzoyenzani iSundowns. Abodlodi lilepa abakora amagoli amafinda bazoyenzani iMamelodi Sundowns. If we are serious about the league, these are the games that we need to win. Yiwo ama team ekumele swadle lawa mangabe sithi serious nge-league. Uzodraw 2-2. Richards Bay. By the way, for the first time in a very long time, I don't blame the coach. Coach Abdeslam Mowadu took the team that won 5-0. That team let him down. That team disappointed him. And we have to be honest about Yanela Mbutuma. Yanela Mbutuma, I'm starting to question his quality. Last Beslogo City, no, Unama stats are the stats favor him. He makes the right runs ahead of Evidence Mahupa. Yenucles as a space, no Pasamachita, which ends right. Mara, the sole responsibility of a striker is to score goals. Wednesday. In the past 5 games, what has the Yanela Mbutuma offered for Orlando Pirates? If we are selecting players based on merit, Bafetu, play Evidence Mahupa. Maybe there's a reason who Hugo Bruce Atlezake to Evidence Mahupa. I'm starting to believe good Evidence Mahupa ila kichami Orlando Pirates. Watolile machanzo Yanela Mbutuma bafecha kanzanga next. Upumile 1-on-1 nabo keeper maheda wake ayalena makmela shooter ushayele emasidini. Ngicela simhlabeleni inkomo ehlanyayo mabhakabhaka. Asitholeni inkomo ehlanyayo asihambeni anywhere in this country and find inkomo ehlanyayo sihlabele uYanela Mbutuma. Into engizusubhlungu. Dala siloke siphaphela abantu sidelela abantu sithi the league is ours. But these players are not playing like they want to win the league. Shout out to Libone Siema. He came through for the team when the team needed him most. Hugo Bruce, this is the guy that has to be Kubafana Bafana. If anything, we need Libone Siema Kubafana Bafana. We are fana nombogazi. When shit hits the fan, we are uphakamisa isandla athingila ayenza izinto zenzeke for Orlando Pirates. So I'm really disappointed in the performance and namhlanje. We dominated the ball position. Ball position doesn't win you games. We created chances, but if you don't convert, you are not going to win the game. Kanti mele size senzeni na ukuze Pirates even strike skorayo. Sicela laba aba scout ama player abasana ama player next season go hambani noLando uDion la khona ahambe azoswinela ama game abalekile. But at this point, Mamelodi Sundowns will continue to dominate South African football for the next 10 years because I can assure you, next game is Sundowns league in Sundowns is winner. Next game is Sundowns league in Sundowns is going to create the right chances, and a lot of us are saying that Mamelodi Sundowns is playing poor football. They're not playing poor football. They don't care about the league anymore because ayiki team go bethu ePremiership khona manje enga challenge Mamelodi Sundowns. Kanti mele kuze kube njani Orlando Pirates ikora ama chance wayo. And then Utito comes on second half, offers focal for the team. Very slow on the ball, very slow off the ball. Like Utito bafethu nya ayikabi. Utito has to be benched more often. And then coach Abdeslam Mowadu, one thing that he struggles is reading the game. Amanyama team bawini game from the bench. Amanyama team, when it comes to a substitution, they make the right substitutes. 45 minutes, Uyanela Mbutuma bekumela phume, maqala nje zithi second half Uyanela Mbutuma bekungamele kutadlala. I'm really disappointed ngale result lena. If we are saying that we desperately want the league and we desperately want to challenge Mamelodi Sundowns, we can't afford to drop points against ama team afana nabo Richards Bay. Swina ngabo 5-0, 6-0 kwamanyama team. But when we play against small teams, last game of the league Orlando Pirates is playing against the Orbit College. I'm sure nale game eOrbit College kuzoba yi1-1 mele kuze kusuka ama defender la suka khona kube yiwa scorelayo abo Mfukeng bayatabalaza abo Apolis bayatabalaza abo Mrembe bayatabalaza because Orlando Pirates ayina striker. We made all the right signings this season but we just failed to sign a striker. Yanela Mbuthuma, you have one job, Brian. Only one job. Mawubhekane nebala kora. Mawubhekane no keeper, B2 goalkeeper. And the last time ningithukile nina ngoba into enigijimela ukuthukisa mangintshela ngithi South Africa doesn't have strikers. Iqala kwala Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs, yona iMamelodi Sundowns. Ubani striker seMamelodi Sundowns escore amagoli amaningi? Peter Shalulile, uLeon. Yes, Ikram Reynas is a good striker uyakora, but other than Ikram Reynas, which South African born striker scores goals? Mara siyaku World Cup ke. Yiwo ama-team afana nabo Pirates, nabo Sundowns, nabo Chiefs bekumele bane-strike ezishayinqayo. I-strike siyazi into esiyenzayo thina sibhizi noYanela Mbuthuma. Next game we don't want to see Yanela Mbuthuma. It's not hate, it's out of love because we want the best for our team. I-Orlando Pirates izoyiwina kanjani i-league basabhizi ba-striker ngabo Yanela Mbuthuma? Akayenzi izinto ezi-right. If akayenzi izinto ezi-right akahlale ebenchini. Nephaphile nayo lona uma uthi uFatso Mabasa nemisa lePostellenbosch, a guy that had a record to break. uYanela Mbuthuma wenzeni for Orlando Pirates? How many goals has he scored? This guy, the whole season, only 4 goals. He striker less. 4 goals. He striker less. So manje sekumele sincenge, sekumele khishwe ama calculator ukuthi hayi iMamelodi Sundowns has to drop points. The question is, will Mamelodi Sundowns drop points? Yeah, kule rate samba ngayo iMamelodi Sundowns angeke izidrop ama points. Bafethu mapaka as in I hate to be that guy, but Orlando Pirates can forget about the league. I guess it's true abantu abasho bathi Orlando Pirates is the best number 2. And by the way, play of the season has to be Ozunapolis. Ozunapolis has been consistent from the start of the season. Akaqalanga ukushisa manje second half of the season. Ushisa from the start ever since afikele Orlando Pirates. Ozunapolis has been scoring goals, creating chances, making the right passes. Ucoach uyahambe yamsubstitute yosifakela uDiong. Wenzeni uDiong? Instead uDiong makangena uyahamba uyola phezulu kwegoalkeeper we Richards Bay ungazi nokuthi welani lapha yana lapha phambili. The only players that I'm proud of namhlanje Libone Siema, well done boy. You deserve to be go Bafana Bafana. If you are selecting players based on merit and form, you deserve to be go Bafana Bafana. Talent Mbata played well. Talent Mbata did everything. Usamila ayikintanga yenzanga namhlanje. Unfortunately, he is not a striker. I don't even expect him to score goals for Orlando Pirates. He can score goals, yes, when it matters, but it's not his job to score goals. His job is to find the wings, it's to find the striker, it's to defend. Makmele Kutasizi defense. He did all of that namhlanje. As much as I hate to admit, Masindi Nemtajela udlalile namhlanje. My least favorite player Orlando Pirates, but Masindi Nemtajela udlalile namhlanje. Mfukeng wasn't the guy, and it worries me lento ukuthi Mfukeng yena makanga then it means Orlando Pirates are dlale. We need to pull up our socks, Buffett. If we are going to win the league, if we are going to challenge Mamelodi Sundowns, if Hugo Bruce is to select any of our players, we need to score. Makmele score. We need to create. Makmele create. Izinto makmele zenze kumele zenze. Kutsepang Muremi sicela ukuthi akusisikhathi sokuthi umuntu abe developed manje. It seems Tsepang Muremi still needs development. Udlala njengomfana osadlala lapha yana ku under 15, under 16. Kusamele ucoach amtshele ukuthi 10 aphasa, yenza kanje, and he's starting games for Orlando Pirates. No, I'm really disappointed. Orlando Pirates sifuna ama-goal abalulekile. Even if you win the game nga 1-0, as long as his striker set was involved either in the build-up or in the final conversion of a goal. Lento yenzakale namhlanje ngizosubhlungu bafethu. Other than that, thank you, cereal breakfast and it's ready for you to eat. I wish you Chiefs idliwe.